and welcome back to this channel. Now before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and if you have, thank you so much. And let's continue. We're going to look at two primary ways. Now the first way is to disable camera access for every single app. The second way is to disable camera access for individual apps. So let's start with disabling camera access for all apps. If you want to do this, the first thing is open the settings app by pressing down Windows and the I button, at the same time the keys on the keyboard, and then the next thing you're going to do is go to privacy and security. In this case, in my case, I can simply go to privacy, click on it, and the next thing you're going to do is over here on the apps permission on the left menu, you see camera. Click on camera, and the next thing you're going to do, you can toggle the switch off here. Allow apps to access my camera, simply turn it off. I can do that because I'm screen recording right now. So if I turn that off, every single app will not have access to the camera. Now that is how to do it, to disable camera access for all apps. But if you don't want to disable camera access for individual apps, for maybe a particular app, then all you have to do is leave this turned on. Then you go down here and you can see the apps that want access to your camera and simply turn them off or on. For example, I can turn this off. I don't want the feedback hub to have access to my camera. I can turn off Skype. I don't want Skype to have access to my camera. It's as simple as that. So that's it. Let me give you additional tips. Please regularly review the list of apps that have permission to access your camera. If you see any suspicious app, deny them access immediately. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Do have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. Bye for now.